Hi guys, it's Rubik's with Leo, and today these two Rubik's cubes are gonna be racing each other. Let me see if I can show you each one, as you can see. So in 3, 2, 1, go. See? Oh! Okay. It looks like that the Tesla Cybertruck tipped over and the Rubik's Cube got out of it. That's the loser, aka second place. For the Ford F-150, it's the winner, aka first place, because it got down as far. And these little rocks here are the finish line, and I'll call that a win even though it's still on the mark. It got down with only a door open, and as you can see, it looks like the cube survived. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.